Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out the parking lot sale going on at your local Harbor Freight. So let's dive in. So guys, we're going to check out this parking lot sale, but just a reminder, currently it's Inside Track Club only members, and then Friday through Sunday, everyone gets to jump in. So just remember that when you see all these items right here. But we're going to get started with the Bauer little multi-tool, 35 bucks there. Pretty good price on that one. And then we also see a bunch of other cutting blades and different stuff like that. And so whatever one you need. And then earlier we did see the multi-tool also from the Warrior brand as well. And then we see a couple different blades for those. Then we even see one for Bauer. Universal quick change multi-tool here. And then we can see the Bauer kit for 99 bucks and get a free tool. So if you're going to get into Bauer, great time to go ahead and grab you one. You can see all the different free tools there. But you also have this ammo box here for 3 bucks. Same thing for Hercules. Buy the Hercules starter kit and then you get a free tool as well. So you get to choose from all of those. Hercules is a little bit more expensive, 80 bucks there, and then you get some free tool options. So great things to check out. Also, we get some string lights here. 18 bucks. Decorate the backyard. You get the Hardy gloves. This is the 5mm. They have the different ones on sale as well. I'll show you that in a minute. We have the Bauer palm sander here, 35 bucks. Also, the surface conditioning tool, 99 bucks for Hercules there. Pittsburgh little tire inflator. Always great to keep one of those on hand, and the battery charger as well for 30 bucks. Maddox ball joint service kit, $50. And then the cheapest heat gun you can find here, 10 bucks. Great thing, you know, if you're only going to use those just a couple times. Apache box here, 20 bucks. Great thing to check out there. Good deal right there for that one. We have the mechanics toolkit here from Pittsburgh, 100 bucks on that one. Again, another solid DIY option, or even a thing just to have for the house. Have a little switch right here for your house or shop or whatever it might be. And one of the big sales, 40% off all of Grant's products. So again, a lot of cleaning products and different things like that. We can see some of these microfiber cleaning cloths, different other bonnet options here, and then other cleaning options. So 40% off of those. So again, if you're going to be doing any type of cleaning, whether you do that in your shop or maybe you have a little side business where you're going to be doing this, riding around, or if you just do it yourself, great thing to save 40% off of those. Even have the brush detailing kit there, 40% off of that one. And then the dirt guard for the bucket. I really like those as well. Got some zip ties, $1.50. Always great to have zip ties. I always keep them on hand. You never know what you got and what you're going to need those for. We have the Earthquake XT, 78 bucks there. Again, I think these are on sale pretty much every time I come in, but good deal on that one. Then we have the Forcer 6-gallon air compressor here for $140. So a great thing to check out for that. Then 199 bucks, or 200 bucks for the 20-gallon McGraw air compressor. So 200 bucks, not too bad. 50 bucks off of that one. And then here again is the option. We were talking about the 20-gallon vertical air compressor. They also have the 10-gallon Fortress, $250. Fortress 27-gallon, $350. So a little bit larger option, a little bit more expensive there. Good deals. Then we have the Black Widow Professional Spray Gun for $129. So great thing there. And then a little bit cheaper option here for Central Pneumatic for 15 bucks. Also have the wall-mounted fans. I really like these for $120. 24-inch fan there, 30 bucks off. Then they have just the pedestal option for your shop or whatever it might be, $119. And then another option right there, just the shop fan on the ground there for $120. Badlands winch, $479 there, 12,000 pound option. These are on sale often, but 120 bucks off of that one. Then we also have the other one here for $270. Again, with the wire rope. So pretty good deals on those. If you need to grab one, great time to go ahead and check that one out. We have the pump here I actually have this exact pump. It works great. So 58 bucks. Always great to grab one of those. And this one is a closeout. Just want to show you this one because I saw it on there. Another pump right here, 90 bucks. The paint sprayer and stainer here, even cheaper than Instant Savings, 35 bucks, 35 or 34.99. And then we have the paint sprayer here, the little setup for $199. I do feel like that's gone up a little bit, but still good price. 30% off all Doyle professional tools and equipment. They actually had a ton of things. I'll show you guys some of these right here, but they had pretty big rack kind of in the middle and then also on the side. I didn't know there was this many Doyle tools all over the place here. So get 30% off of those. We have the gas engine pump here, Predator for $217, 82 bucks. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, or if you've gotten some stuff, let me know what you've gotten down below as well. And feel free to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. We have the Doyle cleaner machine here. Again, it's 30% off what we were talking about earlier. A lot of Doyle tools and parts and stuff here. The air hose, this one's already picked over. $16.50, 34% off. And then we also have the air hose reel here for 75 bucks. I got one of those, works great. Then we even have the accessory kit here for $18. So again, solid deal right there on that one. Get some good parts for this. And we have the knee pads here for 12 bucks. Get to save your knees, whatever you're going to be using those for there. Another at Badlands jack here for $229, 1.5 ton. So you can grab that one. Save 50 bucks on that. The 13,000 watt generator, $950. This thing is a beast. So it's a great setup right there for Predator, especially if you're going to be using multiple different fuels. The jack stands here from Daytona, 60 bucks for those. The 6-ton options. So again, great deal. And you get to choose your color. You can see all these are the 3 tons, but the 6-ton options are the ones that are on the sale right there. And then 9,500 watt inverted generator, also from Predator, 1,700 bucks. Another great deal for that one. You can see this option right here. That's another heavy duty Predator generator. Had a bunch of these on sale. The 3,500 watt down to $650. Get saved 150 bucks off of that one. Also has the wheels on it, which is nice. Another great setup. We get the 2,500 watt for $75. More of the carry option, and then even the power station here for $239 for the 350 watt. So those are pretty cool there. Also, Franklin has their platform steps for 30 bucks. And then their ladder for $130. And for Franklin, 40-inch here. Great thing to check out. Pittsburgh has a vehicle ramp set, 45 bucks. Got 2 different options here. You see right here next to each other. Got the auto ramp set for $60. Then also Pittsburgh has their 1.5 ton jack as well. $79 on that one. And then the 3-ton low profile jack with rapid pump for $100 bucks. You can see some of these are picked over. In the 3-ton floor jack, $119. They also have the full-way lug wrench. If you don't have one of those, probably a great thing to have for your vehicle. It saved me a lot of times there. 12-volt inflator. We just saw that earlier, but I want to show you guys this right here. Again, a great thing to always have. I really like mine. Have multiple inflators. They work really well. Here's the gloves I was talking about. You can see the one we saw earlier was the 5 mil, but they also have the 7 mil here. So you check those, whatever size you might need, 9 mil as well. So different pricing, but really good prices on a lot of those. Braun lights, 20 bucks. Another good thing right here to check out, 20 or 33% off. Little mini toolboxes here, $15. Different colors for the U.S. General. So if you have one of these, or if you have the U.S. General cart, you can grab you one of those, or just to have a fun thing for your house. Premium creeper, $70 right there for Icon. They got some good deals coming here in a minute. Viking jump starter, $280. Another great thing I recommend you always have on is the jump starter. And here is the Syntec $60 option, 3-in-1. And we saw this Viking battery charger and maintainer earlier for $30. We also have the tester here, $190. So the large setup right there, charger and tester. And then we have the foldable shop crane, $299. If you need one of those for your shop, great thing to go ahead and pick up, save you a little bit of money. The ball joint service kit, I think we saw one of these earlier, but $50 on that right there. 98 cents. I love these. I have one of these little pick sets. I use it often when I have stuff I need to use. It worked well for me. And then this is the Doyle stuff I was talking about. They had, like I said, like a middle kind of rack, and they even had a larger rack as well. They had a lot of different Doyle tools that, for some reason, I feel like I've just never seen a lot of these tools before, but maybe they've just been around and I just hadn't seen them. I hadn't seen a lot of deals on them. But the Master Impact socket set here from Quinn, $75. Another 61 piece here for $130. So another good deal for that one. Then they had this U.S. General cart here for $13.99. So if you need one of these, pretty large setup here. You get to choose your color as well. Got some Pittsburgh little sockets here, $10. Another shot of the mechanics tool set. I think this one might be a little different, but $169. So they had a couple different ones there for you. And then here's the smaller cart here for $200. More of the rolling cart. It'll roll around and fix stuff and get it all prepped and ready. You see all the different colors they have, so whatever color you might need. And a little bit larger one here for $500. So again, depending on what your shop has and what you need and how much space and stuff like that. So great thing to check out there. More savings on this wobble socket extensions for Pittsburgh. 41% off. And another socket adapter set, 42% right there. Great thing to pick up. Wheel chocks. These were actually, I think the ones that are on this rack right here, they were picked over. So check those. The plastic fastener kit, I actually bought this sitting right here next to me. Still hadn't used it, but I have it in case I do. Transfer pump right there. Have one of those, works pretty well, $4. And then the liquid transfer pump right here for $7. 30% off all Vulcan welding products. So another solid option right there. They have a bunch of different things. You can get the helmets. You need those. You need just all kind of other stuff, whatever you might need for Vulcan here. I've never seen this Berger 3-in-1 welder. $99. I've actually never seen this one before, so I don't know if it might be new here at Harbor Freight. Check that one out. They got the welding cart here. Save 30% off of that. Good deal. I got some gloves. Again, 30% off of these for the Vulcan ones. I even have the titanium welder here. Get saved pretty good bit off of that one there, so that's really nice. So depending on what you're going to be doing and what size you might need. A couple more options there. And they had a ton of different welding options like I was talking about, from sticks to whatever else you might need in those. 35% off all Icon wrench sets. So you can see right there what 35% off would look like. But they had a ton of choices and options right here from Icon. So again, whatever wrench set you might need, you got a bunch of different options and choices from those. So you can check those out there. See the different ones. But next we have the combination wrench set right there. It is sold out at the store I was at today. Pittsburgh pliers, $15. Check those. U.S. General, they have a bunch of the socket holders and connectors and stuff like that. So you can see the different ones, different sizes, different colors, and different shapes, and different ones you might need. So whatever, they have that. They also have the socket trays here, $17, and all the different colors. So you can match it with what you got. Pittsburgh screwdriver set, $6 there. And then another Pittsburgh, a little more heavy duty set there. TV mount here, 30 bucks. Really good price on that one. The horizontal shaft engine, 109. They also had the moving blankets. For some reason, there weren't any moving blankets here, but 350 on that one. And then we even have the extension cord for 480 here for pretty good prices. Pressure washer for Bauer, 3,000 psi, right at 300 bucks. So heavy duty one there for Bauer. Next they have the smaller option, 75 bucks, 1,800 psi. I like that one right there. I might have to grab me one. I don't know if mine has stopped working. It's just not working really well. Electric pressure washer here, 2,000 psi for 150. Also in the Bauer brand, also a great brand. I like them a lot. The Atlas backpack blower kit. Look at that with the batteries for 450. So check that out. I've never seen one of these, or I've never used one of these, but it looks pretty cool. The belt and disc sander, 100 bucks right there. Another Bauer option. So again, pretty good deal. Portland pole saw, 48 bucks. I love my pole saw. Use it pretty often, so it's a great thing to have on hand there. Never used the Portland brand, but I have heard pretty good things about it. A little folding knife, utility knife here, 4 bucks. Check that one out. The orbital jigsaw from Bauer, 30 bucks. Hard to beat that one. That's a really good deal. Circular saw from Bauer, $70 on that one. Another good thing to check out there. The plate compactor, $5.79 there. Central Pneumatic, or Central Machinery, excuse me. Yukon, another rack here for $2.89. That's the 5-drawer and the little top right there. Palm sander, 20 bucks from Bauer. We saw this one earlier, but just to remind you of that, 50% off, so good deal. Then we have the impact wrench, 65 bucks, also from Bauer as well there. Heavy duty stuff. Only 13% off. Then we also have the Admiral compound miter saw, 200 bucks. Really good deal on that one. Pretty good option for a miter saw. I feel like I've seen that every now and then on these sales. And then they had this safe here, 10-gun safe for $330. Has a couple different options for the lock right there. So pretty good, cool options on that one and good deals. But overall, I think there's some pretty good deals going on right now at the parking lot sale at your local Harbor Freight. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, and if you've gotten anything, let me know how it's worked for you. But thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.